Hey guys, it's Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I just want to do a quick vlog on the new station platform number signs, the new Sydney Train style ones, plus the station numbers coloured in the tiles here. Here we have platforms 16 and 17. There's a sign for platform 23. And over here is platforms 18 and 19. So with these new signs, they're mainly black with a Sydney Trains colour background. Platform 20, 21, platform 22, and platform 23 unfortunately doesn't have the new signs. Anyway guys, that was semi-difficult to do, to dodge all the people, but yeah, anyway, that's the gist of it. So yeah, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. Thank you all so much for watching, I really appreciate it. Bye for now.